Hi, I'm Melina Parasso and welcome to Expert Village. In this series, we're going to talk about turning regular, boring old jeans into funky bell bottoms. In this step, we're going to talk about sewing the hem of our bell bottom jeans. So, there's two ways that you can do this really. If you've tried on these jeans and they're a little long anyway, then you can take the piece of the triangle and the piece of the jean and kind of just fold them both over. However, if you do like the length of the jean already and you just want to match the triangle insert, then you're just going to go ahead and sew this part right here. And what you want to do beforehand is you want to go ahead and cut off this big bulky hem from the jean it used to be. And you can go ahead and give this, if you want, what I like to do is I don't like to make it flat. I like to kind of make it peek down in the middle. That way, from the side, it has kind of an interesting, not triangular look, but it has a more interesting look, more bell-bottomy. So we're going to fold and pin. You always want to make sure first, before you sew, and kind of flip it over and see if that's the look that you want. If it's going straight across, or if you made the little triangle shape that I like to make, you just want to make sure and double check on the other side. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and sew back and forth across our triangle shape. There's no need to go ahead and sew around the entire bell because this is already on, you know, this is a secure seam, so you don't really have to go ahead and sew around the entire thing. And again, the first few stitches, you're going to go ahead and press this button and go backwards and forwards a few times.